In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set up Supervision in Google account. This process is done from the child's device using the Settings app. Before you begin, make sure you have the child's device in hand, that it is connected to the internet, and that you can sign in to the parent account when prompted. You will also want the child nearby, since they will need to confirm a couple of things during setup. Start by opening the Settings app on the child's device. Take your time to find the correct settings icon, since some devices place it on the home screen, while others keep it in the app drawer. Once you are in Settings, scroll until you see Google, then tap it. Inside the Google section, look for Parental Controls and tap that. On the next screen, choose Get Started. This begins the Supervision setup flow and guides you through the required account checks. When you are asked who will use this device, select Child or Teen, then tap Next. This is important because it tells Google you are setting up a supervised experience rather than regular account settings. Next, you will see a list of accounts currently on the device. Select the child's account, then tap Next. Make sure you choose the account the child actually uses day to day, since Supervision will apply to that account. Now you will be prompted to enter the parent account information. Enter the parent's Google email, then tap Next. After that, sign in using the parent's password and tap Next again. This step verifies that a parent is authorizing Supervision and helps link the child and parent accounts correctly. After the parents sign in, you will reach a page with details and agreements. Scroll all the way to the bottom. At the bottom, the child will need to enter their own account password. This confirms that the child is aware and that the correct account is being supervised. Once the password is entered, tap Agree. Give it a moment to finish. Once it completes, Supervision is set up and the accounts are linked. That covers everything you need to know.